Generate New Idea Series Part 1. Life or work? When we stuck with situation and require new ideas, how do you think? Randomly? Yes. Most of us think Apple will fall on us just like Newton with brand new idea. Sure, it can happen, but probability does count. It might not come to you at the moment that you require. So here is a quick conscious approach called Scamper method. All you need is to understand what different pieces your task might have. And now try Scamper. The first approach is substituting one piece. Think of what piece can be replaced and with what. Like substituting conventional fuel with electric brought electric cars and a sustainable future. Second approach is to combine. Think of two pieces that can be merged. Try most diverse option possible. It's like combining time, fitness, and phone to get a smartwatch. It's so good to have a health handy. Next approach is adopt. This is the time to get some inspiration. Look around and try completely different field. It's fine if it feels crazy. Take an example of pizza delivery model which is adopted by instant delivery platform. I don't have to say much. Rest is history. Another one is to modify. Let's try extremes. Maximize and minimize capabilities of each piece. Just like a noise cancelling headphone. We just reduce the surrounding noise for seamless experience. Isn't it great? Next is put to another use. Just like you repurpose the leftover rice to make a delicious breakfast recipe, we all do that. Let's try this. All you have to do is to see where my product fit better. Like a sticky note, which was originally made as a super strong adhesive and failed miserably. Once it is used as a sticky note, boom, it found its place. Sometimes we just need to be at right place. Next is eliminate. Remove what feel necessary. Think about what can be removed. Never hesitate to remove a piece even if it feels the most important one. The good part is thinking doesn't cost you. It's like eliminating a paper menus from restaurant. It does feel impossible, right? But it led to QR code menus. Great. And lastly, a reverse swing. Think contrarian. Like work from office to work from home. It's a straight 180-degree turnaround and bring convenience and productivity. It's a win-win for all. Next time when you need an idea, don't wait for an apple to fall. Just get one.
Remember, healthy life start with healthy mind.